We're back with another comparison, guys, and this one's gonna be super exciting because I actually used this platform not that long ago. So make sure you do stay to the end of the video. Note this disclaimer, I'm just a kid living on a paradise island that got into dropshipping, followed the right people, and got the right advice, especially when I joined Fulfillment. So if you want that as well, stay till the end of the video, see which one I compare, and make sure you always make your own decisions. Let's go check these out. So diving straight into another comparison, this is Yakkyofy.com, and I tried to compare things like this, like I said in the introduction, to Fulfillment to see which one will come out superior. Now I had a look at Yakkyofy, and this is where you can grow your e-commerce, simplify and automate sourcing, logistics and shipping. Now I did some research and they actually are a pretty reliable source, okay? You can sell more everywhere with them, all right? There's ways to try it out and they're pretty basic on the website. They say exactly what it looks like, what's coming here. Product sample evaluation, they give you private label, custom packaging, okay? You've got wholesale, Amazon FBA as well. But what I will say is there's not enough going on in here for me to choose this company, take care of all my dropshipping needs. And that's something that I do worry about. Whereas as I look at Fulfillment, okay, they simply lay out exactly what they can do for you, which to me pretty much covers everything. Dropshipping, China sourcing, Amazon FBA, crowdfunding fulfillment, product photography, and the most important private line that not many other companies can give. Okay, they ask you why you would want to choose them is the global reach, local experts, the personalized support, cost effectiveness, and also explain who it's for. This isn't for someone that's just started YouTube and wants to make money. This is for entrepreneurs, all right? Creators that are actually inside of this. Small businesses, dropshippers, global brands. And what I really love is at the bottom here, they always update. Dropshipping is a lucrative business model, but you need to be sensible and choose the right partners, choose the right apps, choose the right things, follow the right path. You can see there's always articles coming up about Fulfillment. All right, guys, so you can read these. It's not just me talking about it. That's why this to me is the most trusted brand that I can recommend, okay? Again, I don't even know how to explain this, but Yakkyofy, this is not an insult to you. This is just, if I have to choose a dropshipping business, I'm always gonna choose Fulfillment because of the service it provides, the customer support it provides. And once you get a free quote, you'll understand. They're not just gonna try and sell you, they're gonna try and explain to you, if this is not for you, they will not take your money. There you go, guys. Fulfillment, again, is always too superior in my eyes. It helped me come and live here and live my dream. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell button, notified. Check out the next comparison. I'll see you there.